the hose that I'm going to jump up there. You have a yellow button and a red button. The red button is the air to the trailer. I'm going to push that, then go up there and hold it on the baffle on that train horn and make that train horn scream like a bitch. So if he's got to put the phone down for some reason, that's why. We're trying. We're doing our best. So give me a minute, because he's going to back over here and video me walking up there, and you all's going to hear the train horn. It's a bad motherfucker. So plant Travis. No, I got this. I'll pinch it off. Alright, here it goes. I got to jump up, turn the air on to this hose, and I'll hook it to that. See what it sounds like. Should be a chassis system fucking coming through. Right, Travis?
Right. He's putting air to the hose now, that way you can hook it up.
Yeah, we got air pressure. I feel it. Look. Look here.
There's air.
Yeah, we got air pressure. All right. Here's what a train horn